ready for wealth.
Hello everybody, it's Harry here from Worth South Africa, and today we take a look at the Worth Rust Converter 1 liter. Now this product will convert the rust into a durable anti-rust part on steel specifically. It's very easy to apply. As you can see, it's like a milk, very thin substance. You apply it with a paintbrush, but the most crucial part is to take a steel brush to remove most of the loose rust and crust on the specific set piece of metal. So using a wire brush or a hand brush, you can do that. Then whatever loose pieces of rust or dust there is, remove, and then you apply the rust converter. You can see it comes out in a very liquid format, and you apply this on the steel, leave it for 48 hours, and then you can paint over it. You can paint over it as soon as this is dry, but if you do not paint it within 48 hours, then you have to redo the process all over again. So I'm going to leave this now for 20 minutes and quickly show you what happens to the discoloration. Wherever there was rust, it will turn it into a black color, so then you can see where there was rust on the said metal surface. As you can see, wherever there was rust is now turned into a black shiny particles. So now you just have to spray over it or paint over it within 48 hours, otherwise you have to repeat the process. Thank you.